Okay, let them come.
The probe team is now becoming curious as to why the government is keeping under key and lock the contract it had with the Eurocopter as pertains to the procurement of the chopper, maintenance and any other relevant legal binding contract that existed between the two parties.
Provided the government gives that authorization, Mr. Gross doesn't have any problem.
Yes, and even for Fabrice, it will be very difficult. I don't know what could be done to expedite the process, because Fabrice is likely to be the most senior person from Eurocopter who is likely to testify here.
The anxiety comes barely a day before the chief executive officer from the Eurocopter is expected to appear before the commission to make his submissions before the commission, something that could further erect hurdles in the way of the proceeding inquiry.
Judge, I think you can now see where I'm going to, whether what is covered in the warranty is what was being done by Eurocopter, or they were going beyond it. And it will be unfair to ask the witness unnecessary questions on things which on the document we can be able to see what was the legal relationship between the two parties.
We are not very sure about the status of AMO of Eurocopter, whether if it is for South Africa, it can even be applicable to Kenya.
We should be sensitive to the confidentiality of that agreement, but we made it abundantly clear that we have absolutely no problem in that being disclosed, but we felt that it should come properly from the government of Kenya.
Apparently, the commandant at the Kenya Police, Ewing Rogers Mbithi, will catch his breath until both the Eurocopter CEO as well as the engineer at the Kenya Police, Ewing, popularly known as Aristide, give their evidence before the commission on Wednesday. It is projected that Colonel Mbithi will take approximately 10 days in the witness stand, given the magnitude of his involvement with the police planes. Samuel Tawish, GBS News.